Hi, I'm Ed. Putting contact lenses on and taking them off may be tricky at first, but I'll show you how I do it. I hold my lower eyelid down and looking ahead I place the lens on my eye. Once on, I blink a few times. Let's try again. I look ahead, hold lower eyelid and slowly place the lens on my eye. Then I blink a few times. To take them off, I pull my lower eyelid down, look ahead and slide the lens down before I gently squeeze it to take it off. Let's recap. Hold lower lid down, slide lens down and squeeze to take it off. Done. Keep practicing and you'll get there.